Our bodies rely on a delicate balance of nutrients to function optimally. When these nutrients are lacking, it can lead to a host of subtle yet significant signs. Recognizing these hidden symptoms of nutrient deficiencies can help you take action before serious health issues arise. Here are 10 signs you should never ignore. Fatigue and low energy. Persistent tiredness, even after adequate rest, could indicate deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, or magnesium. Iron deficiency anemia, for instance, reduces the oxygen-carrying capacity of blood, leaving you feeling drained. Hair loss and brittle nails. Hair thinning and brittle nails often point to a lack of biotin, vitamin B7, iron, or zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining strong, healthy hair and nails. Addressing this deficiency can restore their vitality. Dry skin and cracking lips. If your skin is dry or your lips are constantly cracked, you might lack essential fatty acids, vitamin A, or riboflavin, vitamin B2. These nutrients are crucial for skin repair and hydration. Frequent illnesses. A weakened immune system may be a result of insufficient vitamin C, vitamin D, or zinc. These nutrients support the immune system and help your body fend off infections. Muscle cramps and spasms. Frequent cramps or spasms in your muscles may signal a magnesium, calcium, or potassium deficiency. These minerals are vital for muscle function and maintaining electrolyte balance. Vision problems. Blurred vision or difficulty seeing at night could be due to low levels of vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing conditions like night blindness. Mouth sores or inflamed gums. Painful sores in your mouth or swollen, bleeding gums may indicate a lack of vitamin C, iron, or certain B vitamins. These nutrients are crucial for wound healing and oral health. Pins and needles. Sensation. The tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, often referred to as pins and needles, may stem from a deficiency in vitamin B12 or vitamin B6. These vitamins are necessary for nerve health. Poor concentration and memory. Cognitive difficulties like brain fog or poor memory might be linked to deficiencies in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, or folate, vitamin B9. These nutrients are essential for brain function and mental clarity. Pale or yellow skin. A pale complexion could signal an iron deficiency, while yellowish skin might indicate a lack of vitamin B12. Both are key to red blood cell production and overall skin health. Taking action. If you notice any of these signs, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. A simple blood test can reveal nutrient deficiencies, allowing you to make dietary adjustments or take supplements. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods such as leafy greens, fruits, nuts, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet to prevent deficiencies. Remember, your body communicates its needs. Don't ignore the signs.